नमस्कार. आम्ही आता शेंच्यापाशी चढा व्हिडिओज केलाय ना असं ते सगळं तुम्ही व्ह्यू कोण तीर्चयाയിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घालका मी रांदूचे सगळं आम व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमका जाल्यान सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमका आणखी व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मिळतली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळं टांगणी लाईक करका तुमच्या फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर करका सबस्क्राईब करूक सांगू काय
Jeeva, Beeye, Bibbo or tender cashews are a very prized ingredient in Amchi GSB cuisine. This is so popular and craved by all that they are ready to pay hefty sums for fresh tender cashews. This is available only for a limited time just before summer starts in the months of March to April. And so they try to make maximum number of dishes when it's available. So for Ugadi, this forms an integral part of the festive menu. Kerala GSBs make this tasty Kuttumman when they get fresh tender cashews. If you don't get fresh ones, you can use these dried ones. I have taken half cup and added water to soak them for half an hour. If they are fresh ones, you only need to peel them. Apart from these cashews, you will need various veggies like brinjal. You can use any variety. 1 drumstick, 1 small piece of wallet or ashgut, 1 small potato, a few colocaceas and some curry leaves. Now to wash, peel and chop them to medium pieces. It's okay if you miss out on 1 or 2 veggies too. You can also add moke or colored cucumber pieces. Now to peel the soaked cashews. Peel them and leave them in water. Now here are the chopped pieces. Take a kadai and add all the pieces except the brinjals. Add a little water and salt to taste. Now cover and let cook on medium flame. When the veggies are half cooked, add the brinjals and the peeled cashews. Add green chilies if you wish. Let cook again on small flame. When it has cooked fully, if you wish, you can leave a little of the water. a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well and cover for 1 or 2 minutes. And then switch off. Now add a tempering of mustard, hing and curry leaves. Keep covered for a few more minutes. Serve this for your Ugadi lunch or any special day. As usual, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.